Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Alexia Leanne and today I'll be showing you how to do my wing eyeliner my way. So if you like this look, keep on watching. But before you do, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, let's jump right on in with this eyeliner. So today I'll be using the Stila waterproof liquid eyeliner in Intense Black. And I'll show you how I do my eyeliner. Now I still use my index finger to help guide me to find my eye shape and just try to point out where I need to go. So you always kind of start where the end of your eyebrow is and just draw a line. Okay, and do you kind of see how that looks? It's kind of just like going straight out, and you see where the end of my eyebrow is. Y'all, can y'all tell I kind of need to get my eyebrows done too? Okay, so we're going to take the other line. You don't want to go to like right where that point is, because then it'll be looking really thick. So you just want to kind of come a little lower, like right here, and then you're just going to kind of connect it like that. So you can see how that looks. Okay, so just going to kind of make a line. So you see how that kind of looks now. Not too thick at the end, but you could, if you wanted to make it even longer, you can extend that to make it even longer if you were looking for like a more dramatic look. So I'm just kind of fix this. And I really like this eyeliner because it's really black and intense, literally. But also, it's just really deep. So, with this one, only thing I wish it was like a little bit more matte instead of like more of a gloss to it. But you can also just take another eyeliner of your choosing and to make it more of a matte. And I really don't know what kind of eye shape I have. I just kind of go with what I think. So whatever kind of works for you. So that's how I do my wing eyeliner on that one. Let's see if we can make them identical. So again, straight line. That, and let's just kind of fill it in. Does that look identical? Let's see. Bring it out a little bit. So that's how I kind of like to do my wing eyeliner again. See, and just bring it up. And now let's just take this eyeliner pencil. It's by Maybelline. It's just the lasting waterproof kind. This is just kind of titrate under my eyes, under that waterline, to kind of give it a more deepened look. And so when I put on mascara, you won't be able to tell exactly where it stops. So kind of like that. Alright, and last but not least, mascara. Now today, what is this one? This is Lancome. This is just like a sample I got from Ulta, I believe. But it's Monacier. So I really like this one. And y'all, please don't get me, but I hope I pronounced that correctly. usually put about 2 coats on it. Okay, and that is the finished look.